Does your company need a fresh perspective on developing innovation and access to top talent? ETH Hangar gives companies direct access to researchers, talent, and engineering capabilities. At the ETH Exploration Lab, we help companies such as Siemens, ETH Zurich or the Audi F1 team to explore early-stage, high-uncertainty challenges together with ETH students and our innovation engineers. In time-box projects, teams test first assumptions and develop early prototypes to reduce risks. On the other side, as an example for a more long-term collaboration, Embotech, an autonomy-focused company, uses ETH Hangar's ecosystem and testing possibilities to scale and refine their solutions. I would highly recommend joining ETH's Exploration Lab because it's an ideal entry point into collaborating with ETH Zurich, accessing top talent, but also creating trusted relationships and an innovation pipeline for the future.